Tache is finally here.
You're here?
Yeah, finally.
Tache, this way.
Thank you. Hello.
Phones on silent. Phones on silent.
Hey everybody, so I am with Doctor. Say something more. Say something.
Okay, so how are you guys? Tune in. We're live at 96.
Tune in. We're live.
Shout out to everybody. So you know what we're going.
He's fine. He's fine. Like how? How do Instagram not do justice to this really fine doctor? Really?
Thank you very much. And that's Kevin Smalls actually. That's Kevin.
Hi, Kevin Smalls. Hi.
It's the same way the handshake with Two-Face as well. You know.
True. Like I came up for like, oh, you snubbed Two. I'm like.
But did you?
Did you?
Are you even serious? Do you know who Two-Face is?
Did you know him before the house?
Did I know?
Have you met him before the house?
I have.
Yeah.
So what was that? What exactly happened in that situation?
If it happened, I don't even know. Like, I got to see that coming out from the house, like some 2 weeks later, and then, okay, what happened? I saw a video, and then like, oh, that's just not. I'm like, no, I love Two-Face. Are you even serious? Like in the house, we don't get to see people. So when anybody comes to the house, it's a big deal. We don't even want you to go, you know, that type of thing. So there's no way I would.
So what was that situation?
You know, when you don't even remember.
Okay.
When you don't even remember. But from the little detail I was getting, I think Biggie called us. You know how it's like.
And we had two very prominent names. Who actually supported you, talked about you every time, and even promised to give you money. First, it was Peter of P Square.
Shout out to Peter. I mean, like,
and
what was mad. Thank you, Peter.
Yeah, and the other one came out recently is the Jarima, who promised to give you. I mean, she did a video saying she's going to give you an amount of money. That's a 60 million. That was
50 actually.
50 million. And recently, news came out recently that you guys fell out, and so the question is, did they really fulfill their promises?
First off, thank you to Peter for your love, your support. I mean, it was hard, and I know for you to still come through for Tache. Thank you so much. And Jaruma, I'm appreciative, man. I'm grateful. Today, tomorrow, thank you so much for everything you did and for everything you are still going to do and you've done. I'm grateful. And about the promises, well, we'll see about that. But for the now, I'm grateful. They know.
But for now, did they give you anything?
I'm grateful. Doctor.
This is for the world to know, because I know you're not addressed to listen, because Ami just came out recently about this person fall out, and based on new management and tutorship. Sometimes they tend to see you not to answer certain questions, but
who says me not to answer?
I mean, since you have a new management, sometimes you're tutor not to answer certain questions. And but they just came out online because we saw the video when she said, "Oh, I'll give you 50 million." Then suddenly there's a fight later. There's just some things that are not happening the same way it was promised. It's just best words to know from the horse's mouth. You know what I'm saying? But you said you're grateful. That's the way to say.
Shout out to you, Jaruma. I love you.
Okay.
I love you.
So there's no a misunderstanding in that area between yourself and Jaruma.
Shout out to Jaruma. I love you.
Okay.
Okay.
Smell conversation.
I mean, I'm here. What are you
And
saying?
then no, that's what I'm heading to. I'm heading somewhere. And then Zlatan, you know, made like a pseudo song. It wasn't a full song because it's already out. Yeah, he did a record, put it out, you know, and you know there was a conversation of him cyberbullying you, and then some people just latched
Conversation
on that.
or just a song?
There was a song. I said there was the conversation afterwards, after the song, you know, of cyberbullying, which I honestly thought, you know, there's a line that we shouldn't cross, but that's a different conversation, right? So there was that. So how do you want to address that?
How did you feel?
How did that make you? You know what I mean? And how do you feel about Latin?
You know,
right now.
You know, having honestly, you know, having a downtime, getting disqualified, being in my feelings, feeling remorseful and all of that. And Nigerians are happy. That's mad, man. I mean, he put out something that made everybody go out like, oh my God! I'm sure.
But for the whole, and then I call. I'm like, they didn't pick me up, please. We're going to Enugu. No. I did not get home. I didn't get. I'm like, they didn't pick me. We're going to Enugu now. ASAP we went to Waterlines, the transport park in PCT. Enugu showed up. Got to Enugu around 11. Lodged in Enugu. Auditioned the next day. And I got picked in Enugu.
Can you imagine that? Who's that person that told you you know what you're looking for, and you're the one who brought the most amount of money? You should get a percentage for Big Brother. You should actually get a percentage for Big Brother. But it's amazing to see you actually struggled. You were very determined to get this.
Yeah.
That is one thing that it's amazing. But would you say something? What is the weirdest thing?
When your friend tell me so I can switch up Ira.
So there's no misunderstanding in that area between yourself and Jaruma.
Shout out to Jaruma. I love you.
Okay.
Okay, 28 minutes past 12 o'clock. It's still 96.9 Cool FM. Tune in. It's still the midday oasis. Tache is right here. Don't forget.
Tache, no leave, no transfer. You have to be hitting on that.
Drop your comments, guys. Drop your comments. And the phone lines will open very soon. We got more questions and more conversation. And on a lighter note, we'll be asking her the songs she listens to, how she unwinds, and how she gets through the day. We'll be right back in the show. Don't touch that radio.
Don't touch it.
Say hello to the Titans.
Hey Titans, it's your girl Tache. No leave, no transfer. I pin, I full brand, I break it. Now me. You all wanted bragging rights. You have your bragging rights now. You have your bragging rights.
No, she has to come out. So please let her come out. We Titans are outside, John. Come and meet your Titans, I beg.
Tasha, how's the Titans doing? Wagwan, how's people doing? Hope people is fine. I just needed some days to myself, and I'm back, and I ain't going nowhere. Every Titan out there, and to everybody that supported me with their sweat, with every freaking thing they did use. Thank you so much, and I'm sorry for following people's handle. I mean, I'm human, so I'm prone to make mistakes, but I'm a better Tasha. I mean, that's what life's all about. Being a better version of yourself, and you people should watch this space. There's more going to come up. I'm not slowing down. Like, I'm back now to not go anywhere. You all know now. No leave, no transfer. Thank you so much, and I love you. I'm not going to stop loving you. There's no Tasha without the Titans. Thank you guys so much, and I'll be live today. I don't know where, but most definitely I'll let people know. Thank you, and I love you. Kisses.
Team, please, I beg. All of the things you people are saying is just talk. None of them is true. Like, it's just fallacies. None of them is true. People is just really trying to be crazy with me. I beg. Please, it's early. I'm just coming out. I don't want. people I'm working with, everything is fine, everything is perfectly okay. I myself decided to just go off for a few days, not like anybody was trying to keep me hostage or whatever. Big brother has nothing to do with this. Like, me, I'm good. I myself requested to just be off for just few days. I just needed time for myself to just reflect and basically nobody is mismanaging fund, or nobody is trying to spend or lavish Tacha's money or something. That's not true, because it was cancelled too. No, it wasn't. I'm going to get everything I did win in the house. So one, I know, stress. I will. From Cameroon, love you, mashallah. For who should I vote for? Vote for Tacha's yellow chair.
Kidding me? Have you seen all the things I have acquired? I run 32 businesses. Day in, day out. What I do is not for children. You can't compare me to someone that is just starting their life. Like, even if she calls herself a serial entrepreneur, maybe she wishes she's free to do so. You know, she can speak it into existence for herself. But comparing me, saying I saw some things people were writing, saying that told Kevin Lawyer is your daughter to not open her body. There's a difference. I'm promoting a skin line. When you promote a skin line, what do you use? Skin on me. When you promote a laundry, what do you use? Skin on me. So like, everything I do has to do with my business. I don't go chasing clouds. I don't involve my mouth in what does not concern me. I don't do all those things. I'm focused on my business, my life, my kids. I'm just there to do so. So I believe.
So it's your boy James Brown. Yes, man, I leave my baby girl Tache alone. Leave her alone. They fling your Yvonne, your Ethiopia, your Turkey Yvonne. They fling her for her. You go call the beat. You go tell me something. I don't understand. See, now small. If I'm gonna use something knock your bread, I'm gonna knock your head. Nonsense. Tache, right down and then your bag.